Namaskar, my name is Payal Mehrotra Sahani, and today let's discuss about jealousy, which is one of the six enemies of the mind. Most of us have experienced this enemy, me too. So, with whatever I have learned, observed, and experienced, I'll share three simple ways of how we can try to refrain ourselves from this jealousy and how it impacts us. Jealousy is developing this fear that an ex person has something more than I have, something that I have been longing for, or it could be the fear of losing something that I possess today and I might lose it because I think that the other person is more deserving. ये जो जेलसी है ना, ये एक बहुत बड़ी रुकावट ऑब्स्टिकल है. इट डिस्ट्रैक्ट्स वन फ्रॉम अचीविंग वंस मेन गोल. Your focus shifts from achieving your main goal, and your goal becomes pulling the other person down, talking ill about the other person because the other person's success and recognition bothers you. और फिर हम कहते हैं she got a promotion? For what? जरूर इसका कोई चक्कर चल रहा है बॉस के साथ. He got all the appreciation? My answers were far better. This teacher knows nothing at all. Stop it. All this will not help you at all. Instead, put your energy into your goals. Pull yourself up. Focus on yourself, not on others. Polish yourself. Read more. Learn more. Remember, looking at others as inspiration is good. However, the problem is when you want what the other has. Jealousy is the poison which we create for ourselves and then we consume it too. How it harms us is that when the feeling of jealousy is there most of the time in our mind, then it hampers our knowledge. और indirectly ये हमारे जुपिटर को बृहस्पति को खराब करता है. कैसे? देखिए जुपिटर जो है ये ज्ञान से नॉलेज से रिलेटेड है. And when there is hatred and jealousy mostly in our mind, or it occupies in our mind, then there is no clarity, right? हमारा सारा एफर्ट किसी को नीचा दिखाने में, गिराने में है, ना कि अपने आप को ऊपर उठाने में. ज्ञान से अपने आप को ऊपर उठाने में नहीं है. सिमिलरली मून जो है ये हमारे मन का कारक होता है, एंड व्हेन मन में हेट्रेड या जेलसी रहती है तो मून खराब होता है. If this doesn't matter to you, then you need to know that moon represents our liquid cash, which means that indirectly you're impacting your finances by blocking this energy. Let's understand how can we try and get rid of this feeling of jealousy. Firstly, count your blessings. Pay attention to all that you have and be grateful for it. Maybe you have that supportive family, that bond that the other person whom you are jealous of does not have. Or maybe you have something else. Secondly, work on self. Each one of us has something special within, and even you have that. Work on it, polish it. Thirdly, be generous. Contribute in whatever way you can, may it be with your time, your talent, your skills, your work, your energy. When you spend even one bit of your energy in adding value to someone else's life, you feel fulfilled, and that becomes the artha of your life. Thank you.